Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and wanted to talk about PC sales. So we talked about it a couple of weeks ago. We were mentioning how PC sales have grown in 2019, and that was good news. And we were talking about, what will happen in 2020. Some people were expecting that with Windows 10 and Windows 7 demise, Windows 10 upgrades, that it would continue to grow in 2020. But Gartner, that actually is a company behind the statistics, says that they don't believe it's going to grow in 2020. They believe that 2019 was a special year because Windows 7 was getting close to the end of support. It made the market grow a little bit, but they said that Windows 10 alone will not be able to maintain that. And one interesting number, because, for the past 5 years, Microsoft has been giving us that famous 1.5 billion PCs in use around the world. And that number stayed the same. And it would be logical to say that over time, that number changes. And especially since the last 7 years, the PC market shrank, would also mean that that number of PC must be different today. And indeed, Gartner actually says that they believe the market is at around 1.25 billion, not 1.5. So that means that the number that Microsoft is using might be, maybe it's time to change it. And with declining PC sales, it would kind of be normal for a decline in the number of PCs out there. And but they did say that there will be over 1 billion PCs on Windows 10 this year. That's for sure. That is no problem there. But they said that the upgrade process to Windows 10 is pretty much over, and that those that wanted to move to Windows 10 with a new PC, they already did, and that's it. And that there's nothing else that's going to happen. No more run for the money. One interesting number also that is kind of, where you're wondering, Gartner says that if the PC market would be looking forward to, for example, Windows 11, that it might actually not shrink as much, because it seems that the Windows 10 operating system, in the new way that it upgrades and that it actually pushes forward most older PCs with the new upgrade, means that people don't feel the need for a new PC. So basically, they're staying with what they have. And that also is apparently one of the reasons why the market is not going forward with a positive side. It's really shrinking. So that's kind of interesting. And of course, they talked a little bit about smartphone. If you're interested, the smartphone market, they expect is going to be pretty much flat, not growing, maybe a little decline, but for the most part, really flat. It seems that people are not as inclined to change their smartphone as in the past, and they hold on to it for a longer time because, they are expensive. A good smartphone is now as expensive as a PC, which is crazy. So interesting statistics coming out of Gartner, and of course, these are statistics, and the real numbers, we'll see by the end of the year if, in fact, the PC market continued to decline. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.